Hello and welcome to this video on creating tags. Tags allow users to group records very quickly. You can create tags against any record in Nav, for example a customer. These can be managed from the Enhanced Information fact box. Here you can see that there are already 2 tags against this table. We can press this button to create a new tag, for example for our favourite customers. As we have created it whilst on this record, it has already been tagged. You can tell this because the star has been greyed out. Now we can select other records from the customer list and press the star to tag them. Then we can press the tag to view the records in it. If you go to the tag list, you can make tags private, view records, and so on. You can also press Merge Tags to merge 2 tags into one tag if you want to combine them. As we have created a new tag, we can quickly get to it from the Role Center. In the For Me panel, there is a My Tags tile. Here we can view the tags and drill into the records that are in that tag.